Hi everyone, I'm Kerry, a part of the TProfile team and Head of Training and Customer Support. I'm excited to show you a new way of quoting for multi-hotel options. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll be able to see my dashboard. This is TProfile, so this is our demo, so it will be slightly different to yours. The first thing I'll do is click on to my customer and create a quote. So click on create a quote and click on add a quote. Okay, so we create a holiday quote and you'll be greeted then with a template, which you can see is quite bare. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is change the layout. So click in the edit on the top box and down here in the layout, you will change it to a multi-hotel quote. If I try to click save, you'll see that the title needs to be filled in. It won't let you save. For quickness, I have created some titles and some overviews on Word. So I pop the title in and I'm just going to pop an overview in so you can see what it looks like. Just copy and paste that. Okay, just neaten it up a little bit. Okay, and click save. Okay, so you'll see now that the layout is different to what you're used to. So we've still got our title, and you can see the departure date, the number of nights, your customer's name, the reference number. The overview I've put in here and a little bit there. And you can see your travel specialist at the top. You've still got your new components. And down here, again, you've got your travel specialist details, your what's included, your feedback, and your prices here. So in this situation, what I'm going to do is, well, this example, what I'm going to do is do 3 hotels based on adult only in the Canary Islands. So I'm going to do one for Gran Canaria, one for Tenerife, and one for Lanzarote. So I haven't got an airport really that I could put in because we don't know yet whether it's going to be Gran Canaria, Tenerife, or Lanzarote. But what I'm going to do is put it under miscellaneous. So click into miscellaneous. I'm going to pick up then return flight. So pop that into your title, return flight from any UK airport. And then I'm just going to put in a kind of what's included. Now, what you can do if you want to do a bit of upsell is pop in something like an airport lounge. So that flight includes, I've just made bold, and I'm just going to put that there for the luggage. And then as you can see, I've put add airport lounge for an extra £20 per person and just a little bit about the airport. Over on this side, you've got an icon. So at the moment, you can see it's just a world icon. We want to change that to a plane. So click it onto it, pop plane, and it'll change to your plane. And then click save. Oh, I'll put some dates in. So let me just pop my dates. Let's do the 1st to the 8th and save. So you can see my first leg as dropped in. So that's kind of left the airport open. So yes, the flight is included and it's no, excuse me, your flight is included, but we haven't kind of put it, whether it's Gran Canaria, Tenerife or Lanzarote, we've left it quite open. So your next one is adding your hotels. So I'm going to use yet 2. So let's put our dates in first of all. And then the first one I'm going to do is the lovely Gran Canaria Princess. We can put the number of rooms, deluxe, and it's all inclusive. Now what you'll notice, I'm going to leave in the show destination information for a reason. Let me click save. Okay, so the first thing you'll see is that the banner at the top is an image of Gran Canaria. And of course, we've got 3 destinations we're quoting. You can also see down here, we've got the images of the Gran Canaria Princess, and we've also got the destination information in your destination, which is a mouthful. Back up to the top here. So if I want to change this, there's 2 options. So I click into edit, back into my quote details. So this is where your banner sits. So if I click that delete, that takes the banner out completely. If I click in destination images, I can pop in Tenerife, for instance. If I want to show Tenerife here, I can do. I select have a look at the banners. You select the banner that you want by ticking the green tick and then click save. Or another way is your file manager. Now, file manager, not sure what everybody has got. You may need to speak to your manager or your head office to add some banners into file manager. So on these are all ours generic ones. So I'm just going to click on holiday types for ours and we click into beach, click in banners, and then I'm just going to select one of the banners, save. So as I said, this is generic, so this isn't applying to any of the destinations that I'm quoting, but you could look at one for a family, for instance. So there's a few options, but again, you would need to speak to your managers regarding that. Okay, so scrolling down, as I said, you've got your Gran Canaria Princess on there. So I'm just going to pop on another hotel. So again, we're going to go into Jet 2. So this time I'm going to do the Coral Ocean view. So of course, I'm going to use the same dates. To the 8th. Okay, just pop our room types in. Doesn't matter on this point if you leave the show destination information there, nothing will change on your banner, as you can see there. And then my second hotel has fallen in there, the Coral Ocean view. And then I'm just going to put a third option in, just purely because I want to show you how it works with the prices. So this one, let's do the H10 white suites. Deluxe room, all inclusive again. Okay, so now that's added all my hotels. So if I go down to the bottom here, you can see the what's included. So straight away you can see the hotels are included in there, which you're not going to need. So if you click edit, and let's just bin all those off. And then in your what's included, you can put anything, that you need to. So for instance, on here, I could put the return flights with Jet 2. And again, I could put some baggage allowance in there. Even though I put it on the top, I can put it in there again. And then I could do something like atoll protected. These are just ideas. I'm sure you've got your own ways by now anyway. And then we can do for the hotel, and I think it's 7 nights, not 14. So do 7 nights in a 4-star hotel, all inclusive. So you kind of get the idea of building this up. Okay. So next thing I need to do is add in my prices. So I'm going to click on new price. The first thing I'm going to do is call it option 1. Again, you can be as creative as you want with this. And we're just going to go Gran Canaria. Put your deposit in and click add. Put your price in. And as per normal, discount, it's a package. So the difference you'll see is this quote legs over here. So if I click on the drop down, you can see my flights and my hotels. So I want the Gran Canaria Princess. That's the one I'm pricing up now. Click on that and click save. Okay, so you can see my option 1 has dropped to the bottom, but if I scroll up, can you also now see there's this banner at the bottom of your call now, how to book, total price, your discount and your deposit. So that's basically telling the customer this is option 1 for Gran Canaria and this is the price. Okay, so don't worry about this admin price edits. Your customer can't see this part of the box. This is for you. So I'm then going to go and put another price in there. So let's just do a option 2. And let's just do this one for Tenerife. Add again. Discount. package, and then again we're going to do the coral ocean view. Click save. Again, it's fallen there. If I scroll here now, just refresh my page. So here now you can see Tenerife at the coral ocean view, and you've got your destination, Playlist Americas, and your price. So if you look at the difference now between that one and that one, the white suites, you can see there's no price on there. And I'll quickly just pop the white suites in so you can see. I want to show you how your customer will view the quote. And this one is in Lanzarote, 99. Package, and this one we'll choose the white suites and click save. Okay, so all my 3 price options are now in there. We've got all our prices on our banners. Okay, you can do the normal if you're going in your new components and you want to add on a transfer or an attraction ticket. It will work the same way. Obviously you need to put in the prices of the flights and the attractions if you're doing that into your price options down here. You can also, if you wanted to, where you've got this overview here, if you click on edit here, if I click name this overview here, I'm just going to bold it. You could put includes transfers, or if there's a certain excursion, you could do that. So it's more towards what's included with this particular hotel. Click save, and you can see you've got this nice little tick there so the customer can see exactly what's included in this particular quote. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is send it to customer because I want to show you what it looks like, and click send. Just going to refresh my page, and this is what it looks like to your customer. And you can see now the boxes at the bottom for your price. So this is my one that I've set up, which is here. This is your customer. So they can't see that price option at the bottom. They have their price options against the actual hotels. Okay, I've still got the option I'd like to book and I'd like to amend. Okay, so another option you could do, just so I can show you, I've done one for Cyprus. So this one is based on a family holiday. Okay, this again is the multi-hotel options, but this time we're going into Larnaca Airport, but we're just doing 3 options of the actual hotels. So the first one is an all-inclusive, the second one is half board, the third one is self-catering. So again, from the top, you've got your Cyprus family getaway, and you've got your nice banner at the top. We've got an overview, and this one I've put pick from the 3 hotels with different board bases for all tastes. Okay, so this one I've put the flight in because I can with the Larnacas. We know it's all going into Larnaca. Again, we've put the 3 options with the prices next to it. Okay, your what's included, you can see there's a lot more there with your what's included that I've added. Okay, so that's another option. So you can be creative as you want to and use it how you feel you need to. All these option 3, self-catering, you can again be as creative you want to with your wording. But that's all I can show you for now. Any questions, please feel free to ring me or to email me at kerry@tprofile.co.uk. I'm always here to help, so thank you for listening. Bye-bye.